Hey there, future scientists! Get ready to embark on an exciting adventure into the world of chemistry. This isn't just about memorizing formulas and periodic tables. It's about understanding the very fabric of reality. Chemistry isn't just beakers and equations confined to a laboratory. It's so much more than that. It's not just about mixing chemicals in a controlled environment. It's everywhere. It's the foundation of everything around us, from the smallest atom to the largest star. The air you breathe? Think about it, that's chemistry in action. Oxygen molecules interacting with your body, fueling every cell. It's a constant, vital chemical reaction that keeps you alive. The food you eat? Consider the complex processes involved. Chemical reactions turn it into energy. Your body breaks down complex carbohydrates, proteins, and fats into simpler molecules that your cells can use. Chemistry is the science of matter, the very building blocks of our universe. What it's made of, exploring the intricate arrangements of atoms and molecules that give everything its unique properties, how it changes, observing the fascinating transformations that matter undergoes through chemical reactions, and why it matters. It's the key to understanding the world around us and developing new technologies to improve our lives. Understanding chemistry is like possessing a powerful tool that allows you to decipher the hidden language of nature, a secret decoder ring for the universe. It unlocks the mysteries behind everyday phenomena and allows you to see the world in a whole new light. It explains why leaves change color, revealing the chemical processes that cause their vibrant transformation in the autumn, how soap cleans, detailing the way soap molecules interact with dirt and water to lift away grime, and why cakes rise, illustrating the chemical reactions that produce gases, causing the batter to expand and create a fluffy texture. This guide will show you, providing you with the tools and knowledge you need to navigate the complexities of chemistry. How to succeed in chemistry, empowering you to master the fundamental concepts and excel in your studies. By breaking it into simple, manageable steps, we'll take a step-by-step approach, making even the most challenging topics accessible and understandable. The goal? What are we aiming for? Study smarter, not harder. We'll focus on effective learning strategies that maximize your understanding and retention. We'll explore strategies, uncovering the most efficient and effective methods for learning and retaining information. To help you truly understand, going beyond rote memorization to develop a deep and meaningful comprehension of the subject matter, not just memorize. We want you to grasp the underlying principles and be able to apply them in new and creative ways. Ready to unlock the secrets of matter? Are you prepared to delve into the fascinating world of atoms, molecules, and reactions? Let's dive into the world of atoms, the fundamental building blocks of all matter, molecules, the combinations of atoms that create the vast array of substances around us, and reactions, the processes that transform matter and drive the universe. Welcome to your journey as a chemistry explorer. Get ready to discover the wonders of the molecular world and unlock the secrets of the universe, one atom at a time. Let's lay the groundwork for our journey into the fascinating world of chemistry. Before we dive into complex reactions and intricate equations, it's crucial to establish a solid understanding of the fundamental principles. Think of it as building a house. You wouldn't start with the roof, would you? Chemistry builds on itself, layer by layer. Each concept is a stepping stone to the next, so mastering the basics is absolutely essential. Without a firm grasp of these core ideas, you might find yourself struggling later on. The basics, atoms, the very building blocks of matter, understanding their structure, how they interact, and what defines them is paramount. The periodic table, our indispensable guide to the elements. It's more than just a chart. It's a treasure map revealing the properties and behaviors of each element. Chemical bonds, the forces that hold atoms together to form molecules, and the mole are your foundation. These are the pillars upon which all other chemical knowledge is built. Don't just memorize. Rote memorization will only get you so far. Understand why things work. Delve into the underlying principles and mechanisms. For example, know why sodium and chlorine form salt, what drives that reaction, and what properties emerge as a result, not just that they do. Understanding the why transforms chemistry from a collection of facts into a logical and interconnected system. Use analogies. Chemical bonds are atoms holding hands, sharing or exchanging electrons to achieve stability. The mole is a chemist's dozen, a convenient way to count vast numbers of atoms and molecules. If you can explain the difference between ionic and covalent bonds, detailing the electron transfer versus sharing, or describe an element's properties from the periodic table, predicting its reactivity and bonding behavior, you're on the right track. You're developing the critical thinking skills necessary for success in chemistry. Review with videos, examples, and practice questions, solidifying your understanding through active learning. Focused on these basics. Don't be afraid to revisit these concepts repeatedly until they become second nature. Understanding these fundamentals, truly internalizing them, makes advanced topics much easier. You'll find that complex reactions and theories become more intuitive and accessible. Don't rush. Master the core before moving on. Patience and persistence are key to unlocking the secrets of chemistry. A strong foundation is your launchpad for chemistry success. It's the fuel that will propel you to new heights of understanding. Let's build it together, brick by brick, concept by concept, until you have a solid and unshakable understanding of the fundamentals of chemistry. Now, let's talk about how and where to study effectively. Creating the right environment and mindset is crucial for success in chemistry. Chemistry isn't a cram the night before subject. Trying to absorb a large amount of information in a short period often leads to stress and poor retention. Instead, it needs regular, focused effort. Consistent study habits are key to understanding and retaining complex chemical concepts. Schedule dedicated study blocks. Treat these blocks like important appointments that you can't miss. Aim for 3 or 4 times a week. Regularity helps reinforce learning and prevents information overload. Each session should be for 30-60 minutes. This time frame allows for focused study without leading to mental fatigue. Create a distraction-free study space. Your study environment should be conducive to concentration and free from interruptions. This means just a clean desk and your materials. Keep only what you need for studying in front of you to minimize distractions. Silence your phone. Close unrelated tabs. These are major sources of distraction that can derail your focus. And let others know you're studying. Communicating your study schedule to family and friends can help minimize interruptions. Try the Pomodoro technique. It's a great way to maintain focus and manage your time effectively. Work in 25-minute intervals of focus, dedicating your full attention to the material, followed by a 5-minute break, then repeat. This cycle helps prevent mental fatigue and keeps you engaged. After 4 sessions, take a longer break. This allows your brain to consolidate the information you've learned. This keeps your mind fresh and prevents burnout, ensuring you can maintain a consistent study schedule. Study when you're most alert. Identify the time of day when you're most focused and schedule your study sessions accordingly. And be flexible. Some topics take longer than others. Don't get discouraged if you need to spend more time on challenging concepts. The goal is consistency, not perfection. Aim for steady progress rather than trying to master everything at once. Mastering your time and space sets you up for real learning. A well-organized study routine and environment can significantly enhance your understanding and retention of chemistry concepts. Make your environment work for you. Customize your study space to suit your individual learning style and preferences. Chemistry success starts with smart habits. By implementing these strategies, you'll be well on your way to mastering the subject. Your notes are your personal chemistry guide. Don't write everything. Focus on main ideas, key concepts and examples. Try the Cornell note-taking system: notes on the right, keywords, questions on the left, summary at the bottom. Summarize each page in a sentence or 2 to cement your understanding. Make your notes visual. Draw diagrams, use colors for definitions and formulas. Organized, colorful notes help your brain remember and categorize information. Review your notes often. They're your custom study tool. Think of your notes as your own textbook. The clearer and more organized, the better. Good notes make review and exam prep much easier. Build your chemistry codex as you go. Chemistry problems are puzzles, solve them step by step. First, read the problem carefully and identify what's given and what's unknown. Write down all knowns with units and clearly state what you need to find. Plan your approach, what formulas or concepts connect the dots. For example, balance the equation, convert units, use mole ratios, then calculate. Only after planning, start the calculations step by step. Watch your units. Use dimensional analysis to catch errors. When you get an answer, check if it makes sense. If it seems off, retrace your steps. This method turns intimidating problems into manageable tasks. Practice this process until it feels natural. Every problem is solvable with a clear plan. You've got this. Learning sticks when you practice actively, not just passively. Use flashcards, question on one side, answer on the other, to test yourself. Mix up the order and say answers out loud to strengthen memory. Do lots of practice problems, starting easy and working up. Focus on the process, not just the answer. If you get stuck, figure out where you went wrong before checking the solution. Teach concepts to someone else, even your pet. Explaining reveals what you truly know. If you can't explain it simply, review until you can. Practice in different ways until the material feels second nature. Active recall and repetition are your best tools for mastering chemistry. Make practice a habit. Science thrives on collaboration, so can your learning. Small study groups, 3-4 people, help you share strengths and tackle tough topics together. Quiz each other, solve problems as a team, and explain your thinking out loud. Set ground rules. Come prepared, stay on task, and set clear goals for each session. Appoint a leader to keep things focused. Use group time to clarify confusion and tackle the hardest problems. Don't forget your teacher. Visit office hours with specific questions. Teachers want to help, so don't be shy. Collaboration builds a support system and makes learning more effective. Together, you'll go further than you could alone. Chemistry is better with teamwork. Your mindset is your most important tool. Struggling is normal. Don't give up when things get tough. Embrace a growth mindset. You can improve with effort and new strategies. Celebrate small victories. Each one builds momentum. Learning chemistry is a marathon, not a sprint. Take care of your well-being. Sleep, eat well, and take breaks. When overwhelmed, step away and recharge. Persistence and positivity turn challenges into progress. A healthy mind learns best. Stay patient and keep moving forward. You're building real skills for life. You've got the strategies, now put them into action. Build your foundation, manage your time, and create a focused study space. Take organized notes, solve problems step by step, and practice actively. Collaborate with others and seek help when needed. Keep a positive, persistent mindset and celebrate your progress. Chemistry explains the world, and you have what it takes to master it. Stay curious, keep asking questions, and enjoy the journey. You're ready to explore the amazing world of molecules and reactions. Science rules, and so do you. Go get 'em!